Hello everyone, I purchased this Stanley laser level whilst I was doing my apprenticeship as a plumber, and I got it from a car boot sale for a total of £1. The gentleman I purchased it from said that it was intermittently working, working here and there, and he just wanted to get rid of it really, as he purchased himself a brand new one. So being an apprentice, I spent £1, and it didn't really work, worked very intermittently. I've recently had the time to actually try and problem solve what the issue is, just to have a look at it. So what I've done is with the battery connector points, I just got a small bit of wire wool, and I brushed each of the connectors, these three, 1, 2 and 3 there, and I put the batteries in like so. Tried the laser level and it worked perfectly fine. So this video is mostly just to any apprentice tradesmen out there that are trying to get some tools through their apprenticeship, is go to car boot sales, see if you can get some tools on the cheap and try and problem solve them. One thing that I will point out, however, is when you're getting your battery powered physical drill, always buy that one brand new. The physical battery powered, like 3, 4, 5 amps, always buy those brand new. These, a small laser level, I'm not going to use it every day, so I was willing to take the risk. I've also purchased 110 volt power tools from Car Boots, and they've worked perfectly fine. So yeah, give Car Boots a shot, especially for hand tools. They're very worthwhile going to for hand tools, and a bit of WD-40, again a wire brush, and they should be perfectly fine. Thank you for watching.